As the trend towards veganism continues to rise, many people are seeking ways to maintain a healthy, plant-based diet without overspending. One of the most common concerns for those transitioning to a vegan lifestyle is how to get enough protein. Fortunately, there are plenty of affordable vegan protein sources available. In this guide, we'll explore budget-friendly options, meal prep ideas, and tips to help you maximize your protein intake without breaking the bank. Affordable vegan protein sources. When it comes to protein-rich vegan foods, there are several options that are both nutritious and budget-friendly. Here are some excellent sources. Lentils are not only high in protein, about 18 grams per cooked cup, but also incredibly affordable. They can be purchased in bulk for a fraction of the price of other protein sources. Use lentils in soups, stews, salads, or as a base for veggie burgers. Chickpeas or garbanzo beans are another versatile and budget-friendly protein source, offering around 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. They can be used in hummus, salads, or roasted for a crunchy snack. Buying dried chickpeas and cooking them at home can save even more money compared to canned varieties. Black beans provide about 15 grams of protein per cooked cup and are perfect for burritos, tacos, salads, or as a side dish. Like chickpeas, buying dried black beans can be a more economical choice. A favorite for many, peanut butter is not only delicious, but also a great protein source. With around 8 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. Spread it on whole grain bread, add it to smoothies, or use it in sauces. Look for natural varieties without added sugars or oils for the healthiest option. Both tofu and tempeh are excellent sources of plant-based protein. Tofu contains about 10 grams of protein per half cup serving, while tempeh offers around 15 grams. They are versatile ingredients that can be stir-fried, grilled, or added to salads and sandwiches. Purchasing these items in bulk can often lead to significant savings. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It offers about 8 grams of protein per cooked cup and can be used as a base for salads, bowls, or as a side dish. While it may be a bit pricier than other grains, buying in bulk can help offset costs. Nuts and seeds are packed with protein and healthy fat. Sunflower seeds, for instance, contain about 6 grams of protein per ounce, while almonds provide around 6 grams as well. Buying in bulk or purchasing store brands can significantly reduce costs. Meal prep ideas for budget-friendly vegan protein. Meal prepping is a fantastic way to save both time and money while ensuring you get enough protein in your diet. Here are some meal prep ideas that focus on affordable vegan protein sources. Cook a large batch of lentil soup using lentils, diced tomatoes, vegetables, and spices. This hearty meal can provide multiple servings and is perfect for freezing. Lentil soup is nutritious, filling, and easy to prepare in bulk. Combine canned or cooked chickpeas with diced cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, and a simple vinaigrette for a refreshing salad. This dish can be made in advance and eaten throughout the week for lunch or dinner. Cube tofu and stir-fry it with your favorite vegetables and a sauce of your choice. Serve it over brown rice or quinoa for a well-rounded meal. Prepare a big batch and portion it out for quick and easy lunches. Prepare a filling using black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and spices. Use this mixture as a filling for tacos or burritos. Top with avocado, salsa, and greens for a delicious and protein-rich meal. Combine rolled oats, plant-based milk, and a couple of tablespoons of peanut butter in a jar. Add your favorite fruits or seeds on top and let it sit overnight for a quick protein-packed breakfast. Cook a big batch of quinoa and use it as a base for various bowls. Top with roasted vegetables, beans, greens, and your favorite dressing or sauce. Quinoa bowls are customizable and can keep you satisfied all week. Tips for maximizing your vegan protein intake on a budget? In addition to choosing affordable protein sources and meal prepping, here are some tips to help you maximize your protein intake without overspending. Purchasing grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds in bulk can lead to significant savings. Look for bulk bins at local grocery stores or consider joining a co-op for better prices. Planning your meals for the week can help you avoid food waste and ensure you're buying only what you need. This strategy can also help you make the most of sales and discounts. Often, store brand products are cheaper than name brands and contain similar quality. Look for store brand legumes, grains, and plant-based protein sources. Whole, minimally processed foods tend to be more affordable and nutritious compared to pre-packaged vegan protein products. Focus on whole foods like beans, grains, and vegetables. Use leftover ingredients from one meal to create another. For example, if you make a lentil stew, use the leftovers in a wrap or salad the next day. Maintaining a vegan diet on a budget is entirely feasible with careful planning and the right choices. By incorporating affordable protein sources like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu, meal prepping, and implementing smart shopping strategies, you can easily meet your protein needs without breaking the bank. with a bit of creativity and effort. Make sure you subscribe, like, and follow for more fun protein tips from Protein Me Crazy. You can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals that support your vegan lifestyle while keeping your finances in check.